This is a Series 80 Kenmore washing machine, one of the direct drive models. Older, but considered one of the more efficient. Now it's having a problem after being rebuilt with the high wash agitation cycle under heavy load. And these are the controls. It's on regular now, so I'll start it and show the difference in action between the normal, which is okay, and the high agitation, which seems to have a stripping gear or something. Now this is normal. It works okay, no problems. Now I'm shifting to the high agitation. Going one way and something is slipping and ripping. I'm waiting for a repairman, and when he comes, I'll film that.